Here we are, folks. Sitting in my GTR for the first time. I don't want to say that I'm insanely stoked, but I've already been in here for about an hour, and I'm not bored of it yet. Yes. Dash bubbles look way worse on camera than they do in person. I will say that despite the cage blocking the rear view and the trunk is up right now, the visibility in here is way better. Like, the ability to see your surroundings is way better than in the FD. And the FD is pretty good. That being said, look at all these ridiculous switches. Do you know what that says? Do ya? Fan 1 and 2 and power steering switch, which does nothing because there's no more electric power steering in here. That was removed at some point. No, it's just the standard one. A bunch of gauges. I'm not going to turn the car on because I know that right now the fuel pumps are out of the tank, so I'm not going to run them dry. But yeah, and I forget which ones are which, but HKS EVC black boost controller, completely unused because there's an AEM in here now. The field linear ETS torque split controller. So you have Jojong FR to four-wheel drive switch, FR to four-wheel drive switch, and I'll have to look this up, but I'm guessing this is FR mode. Oh wait, it says right underneath here. Straight corner. So in a straight line it's FR. Coming out of the corner, that's the amount of torque split that we're giving it, which is, I have no idea. But it gives you a pressure reading from your transfer case. If it works. I'm curious to see if it works. I was going to switch the shift knob out, but I kind of like it without the shift boot on there. I kind of want to get a shift boot that just covers the base, because this looks, I don't know, it just looks very functional, besides looking very phallic, you know, as shift knobs do. The seats are pretty crusty. I think the one I'm sitting in is even dirtier, but yeah. They fit very well. It's very snug. I'm not exactly the 32 I used to be. I am like in between a 34 and 36, which is commonly known as a 35. But I might be more of just a straight 36 now. You can see straight through to the trunk there. You can see the fuel pump sitting out. Well, at least the hat for it. Can't see shit now. Cage. No, can't see the cage either. No meep meep. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the car.